Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself, JVN Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology, JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH, Women University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss about the first session of the course BSc B.Ed ZBC 4th semester, and the subject that is the animal physiology. In the first session, we discuss about the physiology of the digestion, a general introduction about the digestive system. Digestive system contribute to the homeostasis by breaking down food into forms that can be absorbed and used by the body cells. It also absorbs water, vitamins and minerals, and it eliminates the waste from the body. The food we eat contain a variety of nutrients which are used for building new body tissue and repairing damaged tissue. Food is also vital to life because it is our only source of chemical energy. However, most of the food we eat consist of the molecules that are too large to be used by the body cells. Therefore, these large food particles cannot be absorbed directly. So, the food must be broken down into smaller particles, the size enough to enter into the body cells. The process known as the digestion. Digestion means the breaking down of large food particles into the small food particles so that they can be absorbed. Or you can say that diffusion of non-diffusible food particles. A conversion of the non-diffusible into the diffusible ones is known as the digestion. Okay? The organ involved in the breakdown of the food collectively called the digestive system. Means the organs which are involved in the breaking down of the food particles and the absorption of the food particles, that is the digestive system. The focus of this topic, like the respiratory system, the digestive system is a tubular system. It extends from mouth to anus, form an excessive surface area in contact with external environment, and is closely associated with cardiovascular system. The combination of extensive environmental exposure and close association with blood vessels is essential for processing the food that we eat. The medical specialty that deal with the structure, function, diagnosis and treatment of the disease of the stomach and the intestine is called the gastroenterology. And medical specialty that deal with the diagnosis and treatment of disorder of the rectum and anus is called proctology. Okay? Then the overview of the digestive system. Overview indicate identify the organs of the digestive system. Here describe the basic process performed by the digestive system. The question arises into the various competitive exams about the digestive systems in, you can say, HPSC, UPSC, RPSC. Their number of questions comes from the physiology. So we can discuss here the digestive system what are the basic process of the digestive system? Okay? Basic process of the digestive system. There are the 6 basic processes of the digestive system, and there are the 2 group of organs compose the digestive system. 2 group of the organs, the gastrointestinal tract and the accessory digestive organs. The gastrointestinal tract, or you can say this is the alimentary canal, is a continuous tube that extends from the mouth to the anus through the thoracic and abdominopelvic cavities. Organs of the gastrointestinal tract include the mouth, most of the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. The length of the alimentary canal is about 5 to 7 meters in a living person. Okay? And the accessory digestive organs, the second part, first, the digestive, we have already mentioned that, I have already told you that there is 2 organs compose the digestive system, gastrointestinal tract or the alimentary canal, or the other is the accessory digestive organs. The accessory digestive organs includes the teeth, tongue, salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, pancreas. Okay? Teeth help in the physical breakdown of the food, and tongue assist in chewing and swallowing. The teeth are the only accessory organs which come in the direct contact of the food. No other accessory digestive organ come into the direct contact of the food. They produce, store the secretion that flow into the gastrointestinal tract through the duct. The secretion help into the chemical breakdown of the food. The gastrointestinal tract from food, from time it is eaten until it is digested and absorbed or eliminated. The muscular contraction in the wall of the digestive tract physically break down the food by churning it and propel the food along the tract from the esophagus to the anus. And the contraction also helping to dissolve the food by mixing them with fluid secreted into the digestive tract. The enzymes secreted by the accessory digestive organs and the cells that line the tract physical down the food chemically. Okay, so we have discussed what is the digestive system, the study of the digestive system, disease of the digestive system, what you can say, and what are the 2 basic processes of the basic organs of the digestive system that compose in the gastrointestinal tract and the accessory digestive organs. Gastrointestinal tract, what is the other name of the gastrointestinal tract? That is the alimentary canal. The questions like this are asked into the competitive exams. And what are the accessory digestive organs? Which accessory digestive organs secrete the enzymes, and which is only one organ that come in direct contact of the food. Okay. Now we will discuss about the 6 basic process of the digestive system. That the first is the ingestion. Ingestion. This process involves the taking of the food and liquid into the mouth. Okay, this process is okay again. This process involves the taking food and liquid into the mouth, or you can say that is eating. That is the ingestion. Second is the secretion. Each day, cell within the wall of the alimentary canal and accessory digestive organs secrete a total of about 7 liter of liquid, a water, acid, buffer and enzyme into the lumen of the tract. That is the secretion. Secretion यानी कि gastrointestinal tract and accessory digestive organs secrete nearly about 7 liter of the water, acid, buffers and enzymes into the lumen of the alimentary canal. That is the secretion. After secretion, the next step comes, that is the mixing and propulsion. Mix, alternating contraction and relaxation of the smooth muscle in the wall of the gastrointestinal tract. Mix the food. See the contraction into the wall of the alimentary canal. Contraction, alternate contraction and relaxation. Once that is contract and then relax. These mix the food with the liquid particles and propel them towards the anus. This capability of gastrointestinal tract to mix and move material along its length is called motility. Okay, this is the third part. And fourth, that is the after mixing, the next step comes, that is the digestion. Mechanical and chemical process break down the ingested food into the small food particles. There are two types of the process take place, mechanical and chemical. In mechanical digestion, the teeth cut and grind the food before it is swallowed, and then smooth muscles of the stomach and small intestine churn the food. What happens? As a result, food molecules become small. The food molecules become dissolved and thoroughly mixed with the digestive enzymes. This is the mechanical digestion. And in chemical digestion, the large carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acid molecules in the food are split into smaller molecules by hydrolysis. Okay, smaller molecules. In the process, catabolism takes place. Carbohydrates into the simple sugars, proteins into the amino acids, lipids into the fatty acid and glycerols. So digestive enzymes produced by the salivary gland, tongue, stomach, pancreas and small intestine catalyze these catabolic reactions. This is the responsibility of the enzymes. A few substances in the food can be absorbed without chemical digestion. These include the vitamins, ions, cholesterol and water. These require no chemical digestion. No enzymes are required for their absorption. No breakdown of these molecules is required. Then the fifth step, that is the absorption. The entrance of ingested and secreted fluid, ions and product of the digestion into the epithelial cell lining, the lumen of the gastrointestinal tract, is called absorption. Okay, absorption. After the absorbed substances passed into the blood or lymph and circulate to the cells throughout the body. Then after digestion, then absorption, and then that is the last, that is the defecation. In food that cannot be digested is expelled out and thrown out from the body. Waste, indigestible substance, bacteria, cells slough from the lining of the gastrointestinal tract, and digested material that were not absorbed in their journey through the digestive tract leave the body through the anus in a process known as defecation. Eliminated material is termed ficus. Okay? So this is the general introduction about the physiology of digestion or digestive system. Then the question can arise in this, okay, which components of the digestive system are GI tract organs and which are accessory digestive organs. Another, okay, which organs of the digestive system come in contact with the food and what are some of their digestive functions. Yeah, which kind of food molecules undergo chemical digestion and which do not. We have clearly discussed in this topic. So this is all about the digestion, general introduction about the physiology of the digestion. Thank you. Thank you very much.